Hey, hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to apply makeup on your pictures, especially your portrait picture using Evoto AI. As you can see the picture displaying on your screen right now. Here's the before of the picture and look how cool the picture is right now. I was able to edit and actually add some makeup on the pictures. So many of you that have been seeing me dropping videos written to Evoto AI might think it's just for portrait editing alone, but it's not limited to that. There are other features it includes. But in today, I'll be talking about the makeup aspect. We have the facial restructuring, which are actually there, which is very, very nice and it's going to give you high-end results. But today, I'll be talking about the makeup kits that are there, especially the contour, the highlights, the midtones, the eyelashes, the eyebrows, etc., that you can actually use to your advantage. This is actually specified for the makeup artists who want to enhance their picture and also photographers who want to do portrait retouching. So it's not actually limited to that. So stay with me, guys. So before we jump straight to the makeup, let's do what? Let's just clean the face with just 2 or 3 clicks right now. As you all know, it's very, very easy to do that. The first thing, open the blemishes remover, wrinkle and hanks. So I'm going to fast forward this process so that we're going to do everything in no time. So I'll go to the frequency screen retouching. I'm going to open it up. Under the face, I'm going to do a frequency separation 100%. And I'm going to increase the low frequency layer so that it will give me what I want. Dodge and burn. So the reason I'm actually fast forwarding this process is because this is not what we are after here. All we want to do is the makeup, apply makeup on the skin. So skin texture smoothing, increase it, cut, dodge and burn, increase it, increase it. Okay, let me go to the body aspect also again. Under the frequency separation 100%. And I think I'm done with this right now. So now here's where our work starts. Before we go to that, but let's add a better skin tone to our picture right now. So I'm going to scroll down to where the skin tone is. All these are inside Evoto AI, so you can just get all this inside Evoto AI. Once you pay for the coin, there are no hidden charges again. You gain access to everything needed. We just first slide down now. Look at the before and after of our picture. Here's the before and here is the after of our picture. We just sync 4 single slides. So right now I'm going to select part of this skin tone that it gives to us. So let me select this, which is the one I love using the most right now. So if the color is not okay for my liking, I'm going to increase the intensity, which is the amount over here. I'm going to increase it. You can see right now, here's the before our picture, here's the after. I did this in just less than a minute. So as you can see, it saved me more time to actually work on other part of the picture. So now here is where we are heading to, which is the makeup aspect. But first thing, I want to work on the hair also, because I don't like how white the hair looks. I don't like it, because since we actually did what we add the color to the skin, it actually did not add the color to the hair. So now let's just darken the hair part a little bit. So I'm going to open the hair up and I'm going to do what? Scroll down and do what? If there are strands from the hair, like this strands over here, I'm going to do what? Straight hair remover. I'm going to take it to 100% and it's going to do all that for me. So the next thing I'll be doing right now is to do what? The hairline part. I'm going to do what? I'm going to increase it also. I'm going to increase it. You might not see much effect on, except you are working on the picture yourself. So the next thing I want to do right now, I want to darken the hair. I want to darken the texture of the hair, which I actually did right now. You can see it's actually different from before, and it's blending in with the picture itself, which is very, very nice. You can try to choose hair color here, but I am not choosing any hair color. I like how black the hair looks. So now we're done with this right now. I'm going to close it up and I'm going to go to where I want to go to initially, which is the makeup. I'm going to open up my makeup right now. So here's the makeup panel right now. So there are so many options here. If you want to mess with the highlight or the contour is the dark area, which is the burn area of the picture. So if I want to mess with it, I'm going to increase it. If I want to reduce it, I'm going to reduce it. But here is not what I want, because I already did the dodge and burn in the dodge and burn feature. So let's go on a 1 minute short break. See you guys in the next 1 minute. Guys, so Evoto AI is currently running their summer deal promo, where they'll be giving you 25% discounts across all packages you want to purchase from them, alongside with gifts such as preset masterclass and digital backdrop. So you are saving yourself 25% on whatever products you want to buy for them. And this offer lasts starting from July 8th to July 17th. So you can just do what? Follow the link down in the video description. It's going to redirect you straight to their website, and you're going to be making purchases using the 25% discount. Just as easy as that. Welcome back, guys. So now back to the makeup suit. You can actually do what? Choose different type of makeup suit. They are already presets made for you to do what? To apply makeup. So now let's try with the nude first. Can you see what it did? I don't know if you actually noticed it. and if not enough, increase to 100%. So let's next it to cheek. You're going to be changing the color of both the eyeliner and everything, both the dodge and bone and the facial shape. Is going to be changing everything for you. Here's the before of our picture, here's the after, as you can see. But we don't want all that, so let's take it back to neutral. The first thing I'll be going to is to go to my lipstick. I want to actually add the lipstick to the lip, so I'll go to the lipstick. Under the lipstick, I'll select the color that I want. I love this red color. There are so many other colors there you can choose from. There are so many other colors you can choose from, but I love this red color, and I'm going to click on the red. And if the color is not enough for my liking, I'm going to increase the amount. Can you see? And if it's too much, I'm going to reduce the amount, which is very nice and smooth. So the next thing I'll be doing right now, I want to add the contact lens to eye. I'll do what? I'll just click on contact lens over here. I will select from the options that is given to me here. Let's try this out. This is actually very nice. I love this. Can you see right now? Here's the before, here's the after of the contact lens. And if it's still too bright for your liking, it's very simple. You just have to customize your fit. So I'm going to reduce it till I see fit. So the next thing is the blush. Do I need anything on the blush? Let me click on the blush right now. So I'll select the first one. I'll keep on selecting till I see the one I want. I think I love this other blush. I love this. It's going to add some red particles, some red colors to the side of the picture. This is going to make it look very nice. This is actually very nice. Look at the before of our picture, look at the after. We are still not done yet. You can work on the eyelashes also. If you want to change the kind of eyelash your subject has, just click on it and it's going to be adding and changing the eyelashes for you. So I think this is the best suit, this is the best kit for makeup artists to make use of. Even portrait photographers are going to love all these features. There are so many other tools there. We have the eyeshadows. If you want to actually add eyeshadows to the picture, can you see? There are multiple ones you can use. This is the one I like in particular, the one that comes with the particle. I like this a lot. I love this a lot. And I'm going to leave it that way. So the next thing we are going to be selecting is the facial decoration. So the best thing I will be doing right now is just to try everything out and see the one that works perfect for me. Let's check out the first one. I love this, but it's actually not enough for my liking. Can you see the dust particle that is given to our picture? It's actually not enough, so you are going to increase the opacity till you see fit. So let's check the next one out. Let's check the next one. I don't like this. Okay, I like how this is actually much, and I'm going to increase the opacity to 100%. Can you see how we just beautify our picture by adding makeup to it? We just few simple click using Evoto Ai, and all this is done with just one coin, $0.07 for just a single picture. And if I'm to have about 20 or 30 of pictures like this, I can just copy the settings and paste it on the rest of the picture, and it's going to do the same thing to all those pictures in less than a minute, and I'm going to export everything. So it's going to save me countless hours of editing, countless hours of retouching, countless hours of adding makeup manually, and I'm still not be able to get it to this perfection. So if you think it's actually worth it, go and purchase from their store today, and they're actually offering a 25% discount on the whatever package you purchase from them from today till the 17th of this month. So let's go and make purchase today and do what? Improve your picture editing skills. So I hope this video helps. If it does, don't forget to drop a like. Someone out there might be in need of this video. See you guys in my next video tutorial. Reflex out.